Guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the M.Sc. M.Scs from IGNOU University, and this is Mathematics with Application in Computer Science course. So this is the open distance learning course, which is uh, from School of Sciences. This is 2 years course, and medium is English, and specialization is mathematics with application in computer science. So you will study mathematics with computer science also. So descriptive is that mathematics from an application point of view, core mathematical knowledge, promote use of the mathematics in industries, and develop human resources in emerging disciplines like mathematical biology, etc. Promote collaborative research with the industry and other users agencies. Eligibility is also here. Eligibility is if you are graduate from mathematics, so you can apply, or if you are graduate with BA, BSc degree with mathematics as one of these main subjects, so you're also eligible. Fee structure is 27,600 for full program. It means that 6,900 per semester. So there are the 4 semester. Now the regional centers are here given. Now we're discussing the how many papers are there in the first semester. In the first semester there are the 5 papers. In second semester there are the 3 papers. In the third semester there are the 5 papers. In the fourth semester there are the 3 papers. So in which you will include more than I think 16 papers are there. So you will study about the 16 papers, and after this completing all the courses you will be eligible for the MSc MScs. So this is the degree. If you need any other information regarding this course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. We will provide all the information regarding this. Thank you so much.